In this video, you will learn how to insert this multiple bar graph with data table in Microsoft Excel. You can see here I have generated this graph using this data, which is the data of production of cotton during different months of 2017 and 2018. First column shows the month, second one shows the year, and third one also shows the year. And if we look at this graph, you can see here that this data series shows the production of cotton during different months of 2017, and this one shows the production of cotton during different months of 2018. So let's start this tutorial. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel. Let's move to next sheet. I have already entered the data. Remember that you should let this cell blank. I have intentionally left this cell blank. If you write anything in this cell, then the Excel will not be able to plot this your graph accurately, and it will give some error message. So remember that whenever you want to generate this multiple bar graph, and firstly arrange your data like this one and left this cell blank. Next step is select this data, go to insert tab here, and here you will find the option of charts. In chart, go to this option which is the insert column or bar chart, and from here you will select this clustered column chart. After generating this, place it here. I will resize it for your convenience, and we will start the formatting of this graph. Firstly, go to this chart element option, click here. Now firstly I want to remove these grid lines, so I will uncheck this option. So these grid lines will be removed. Next I want to insert the chart titles, axis titles. I select this one, and you can see here, and in this table, in this graph, we want to insert data table. Then here is the option of data table. I will check this option. Now there is no need for this legend because this information is already available here. So I will uncheck this legend option. After doing that, select chart title, put equal sign, and select this cell which contains the title and press enter. You can also manually write this title and press enter without inserting this equal sign. For example, I want to change this axis title. I will simply, after selecting this, go to this formula bar and write anything. Press enter, then this axis title will be changed. Similarly, I will write here month. Press enter. Then select this one. Go to this home option. From here I will choose 12 and select black color and bold this. Now I want to copy this format to format other like this one. Simply double click on this format painter option and click anywhere where you want to format like this one. Click here, then here, then this exit title, and this title. Now I want to adjust the title font size to 18. Now I will want to insert here a line and want to change these colors. So we will move to next step. Actually, select this one, right click, go to format axis option, and here I will change minimum value to 1000. then this 0 will be changed to 1000. Next one is the measure unit, the difference between these two axis labels. So currently it is 500. I will change it to 1000. Now scroll down. Here you will find the option of tick marks, and in tick marks there are two options: major and minor and outside. Now go to this fill and line option, and here you will find the option of fill. Skip this option and go to line option. Select solid line, select color of line, and adjust the width of line using this option. Similarly, select this axis, and from here I will select black color, 1.5 width. Now select any data series, right click, go to formate data series, and I will change the series overlap to 0. I will want to remove this gap width. Click here. Now if you want to adjust gap width, you can use this option. That's fine. Now move to fill and line option, and in fill select solid fill. I want to change its color to green. I will select this one, and I want to insert a border with black color. So in border select solid line, and you can adjust the border width using this option. Similarly, select other data series and adjust its border and fill, solid fill. From here I will select this one. Now scroll down. Here you will find the option of border, solid line, and change its width to 1.5. So we have completed the formatting of this graph. You can see here that this graph is generated with data table.